In this video, I'm going to walk through how you can accept payments on your Everbee shop. So here's my Zen Water Cooler digital downloads page. This is zenwatercooler.myeverbee.com. And as I scroll on down, I'm going to see there's a bunch of digital products here. And I'm going to actually purchase one of my own products to show you exactly how this works. So here's my main dashboard inside of my Everbee shop. And what you want to do is look at this big blue guide right here at the top. It says Setup Guide, 1 of 2 tasks completed. And when I expand out this guide, we'll see that the first thing I did was add my first product. And the second thing I need to do is to set up my Stripe payment. And Stripe is very similar to PayPal. It's an online payment solution so that customers can click on in the digital download store, or if you're selling print on demand goods, whatever it is, if I click on this online shop, I can add this now to my cart and I can pay for it. And this money will then go to you in your Everbee store. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do here is set up my Stripe payment. And I'm going to do that by clicking on this button right here, Set Up Stripe. And you'll see here, Everbee charges a 0.25% fee on the total amount of each transaction. So I'm going to click this little connect button right here to integrate Stripe into my store. I'm going to click connect right here. Okay, and what you'll want to do is connect your email address for your Stripe account. So if you're not sure if you have a Stripe account already, I recommend that you go to the main Stripe website, this is stripe.com, and you sign in and see if you've got an actual Stripe account. If not, you can create one. So I do recommend that you sign up on Stripe first, get your account set up, and then when you're inside your Everbee account, you're going to link your Everbee account to your Stripe account. And I will link my Everbee shop to this existing Stripe business account, and I'll click continue. Now you will need to fill out some basic business details because your Everbee shop could be completely different than another type of store that you've got set up on Stripe. Okay, so I've selected here other digital goods. I've entered in my website and I've put in for my product description that I sell digital downloads, and I'll click continue. Okay, now from here, you're going to need to add your bank account for any payouts that you get. So you'll want to make sure that you have a check handy or that you know the information for your actual bank account. Now I'm going to get asked to add a public detail for my customers. So my statement is going to say something like Zen Water Cooler or Zen Water Cooler at my Everbee store, something like that. Now this other piece here is optional. This is a shortened descriptor. So you'll have to use your imagination here to make sure that you can fit in to the amount of characters because you don't get very many in the shortened descriptor. Okay, so once you're done, you're going to want to go back to your dashboard and make sure that your setup Stripe payment now has a little check mark next to it. I've now done the 2 things that I need to do in order to start receiving payments on my Everbee shop. I've added my first product and I've set up my Stripe payment. Now I can go to the Zen Water Cooler page and I can go shopping. So I'm going to pretend like I'm a customer here and I'm going to purchase this download, this tennis digital download. I'm going to click on it. And now as a customer, I'm going to click add to cart. And it'll say product added to cart successfully. Now to check out, just like any other website, I'm going to click on the cart, and here now I can proceed to my checkout right here. Now it's just like any other website. I'm going to need to put in my name, my country, my address, and then my credit card number, and I will then place my order. Okay, and once I've entered in all of my personal information on the left-hand side, I'm going to have an option now to place my order right here on the right. So I'm going to click place order. And we'll see the order has now been confirmed. I've got my order number, my order date, my order total, and then I've got a link where I can now download my actual digital download. Okay, now on my dashboard, I can expand it out and I can go down underneath orders and customers, and then I can see orders and shipping. When I do that, I can see the order number, the amount of the items, the customer name, and the amount, and I can see now that I've made a sale. Okay, and here we can see on the dashboard, it's showing my one sale, and the amount of the sale is $3. Now this is $3 US, and it shows me some statistics. So over time, you would get a pretty robust stats page sitting here. And when I jump into my actual Stripe account, we'll see that my new Stripe account, because this is a new business that I've set up, I've got my sale, which was $3 US, which translates to about $4 Canadian, less their Stripe fee. So this is the $3.64 Canadian that's coming to me. Now there is a first payout hold. So don't be surprised if you see this message pop up. We're preparing your first payout, and this is going to take about 2 weeks here. We'll see that there's a 7 to 14 day waiting period for your first payout. So be aware that if you make a sale, you're not going to get your funds instantly. Stripe does have to hold it. I highly recommend signing up for Everbee. The link is in the video description below. Just a heads up, it is an affiliate link, and that just means if you click on the link and you purchase the Everbee subscription, I would receive a small commission. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. It can be a little intimidating with payments on websites. So make sure you set up your Stripe account, make sure you link it to your bank, and then make sure you link Everbee to your Stripe account and let the sales get going. Here's another video where you can have some fun using Everbee.